7 kilometers to go, Ivan Basso went alone. He went on to win the stage. He greatly reduced.
Puis comment ça a été?
Ça va bien. Je pense que les jambes sont comme hier.
Good.
Rise and shine. 6 a.m. and your hand can't make it to the alarm clock before the voices in your head start telling you that it's too early, too dark, and too cold to get out of bed. Aching muscles lie still in rebellion, pretending not to hear your brain commanding them to move. A legion of voices are shouting their unanimous permission for you to hit the snooze button and go back to dreamland. But you didn't ask their opinion. The voice you've chosen to listen to is one of defiance. A voice that says there was a reason you set that alarm in the first place. So sit up, put your feet on the floor, and don't look back, because we've got work to do. Welcome to the grind. For what is each day but a series of conflicts between the right way and the easy way? 10,000 streams fan out like a river delta before you, each one promising the path of least resistance. Thing is, you're headed upstream. And when you make that choice, when you decide to turn your back on what's comfortable and safe and what some would call common sense, well, that's day one. From there, it only gets tougher. So just make sure this is something you want, because the easy way out will always be there, ready to wash you away. All you have to do is pick up your feet.
Side of the bed. What's up with this Prince song inside my head? Hands up if you're down to get down tonight, 'cause it's always a good time. Slept in all my clothes like I didn't care. Hopped into a cab, take me anywhere. I'm in if you're down to get down tonight, 'cause it's always a good time.
Good morning and good night. I wake up at twilight.
It's gonna be alright. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. It's always a good time. We don't even have to try.
Plateau. Ouais, mais t'aurais dû être sur les petits.
Wow!
Good job! Good job, baby!
It's always a good time. Doesn't matter when, it's always a good time then.
Doesn't matter where, it's always a good time there.
Doesn't matter when, it's always a good time then. It's always a good time. It's always a good time.
Quand on partait de bon matin, quand on partait sur les chemins à bicyclette, nous étions quelques bons copains. Il y avait Fernand, il y avait Firmin, il y avait Francis et Sébastien, et puis Paulette. Nous étions tous amoureux d'elle, on se sentait pousser des ailes à bicyclette. Sur les petits chemins de terre, on a souvent vécu l'enfer pour ne pas mettre pied à terre devant Paulette. Faut dire qu'elle y mettait du cœur, c'était la fille du facteur à bicyclette. Et depuis qu'elle avait 8 ans, elle avait fait en le suivant tous les chemins environnants à bicyclette.